Hello, my name is Mason.
And my name is Ben.
Today we are going to talk about radium.
What is radium?
You dumb golfers don't know anything, do you? But I will teach you.
Okay, let's learn about radium.
Okay, well, radium is an element. It is the 88th element on the periodic table, which is also its atomic number.
Okay, that is very helpful. What are some other facts about radium?
Radium symbol is capital R, lowercase a. Its atomic mass is 226 atomic mass units, and it has 88 total electrons. It also has 2 valence electrons, which makes it very unstable.
Why does this make it unstable?
It makes it unstable because the outermost level of electrons is not full.
I see. How can it become a full level of electrons?
Radium, which in this case has 2 valence electrons, would need to gain 6 electrons, or lose 2 electrons.
Which would it do, gain 6 or lose 2?
Radium would lose 2 electrons, because it takes less energy to lose 2 than gain 6.
That makes perfect sense that it takes less energy to lose 2 than to gain 6.
Exactly, that is one of the more simple concepts.
Okay, so it is going to get harder?
You could say that, when radium loses those 2 electrons, it becomes an isotope.
What is an isotope?
An isotope is an atom of radium that does not have the same atomic mass.
Oh, I see. Are any of these isotopes useful?
Radium-226 is under investigation, and is thought to be stable enough to use in some medicines to help treat cancer.
Okay, I understand. Are there any other uses?
Yes, radium, like I said, is used for cancer treatment. It is also used in some toothpaste, luminescent paints, food preservatives, and is a reliable neutron source.
That is a lot of uses.
You would think so, but it does not have many uses compared to most other elements.
That is interesting. Are there any other facts that you could have left out earlier?
Yes, actually I did leave a couple of things out earlier. I forgot to tell you the melting and boiling point.
Okay, let's hear them.
The melting point is 700 degrees Celsius, which is about 973 Kelvin, and the boiling point is 1737 degrees Celsius, which is about 2010 Kelvin.
Wow. Those are some extremely high temperatures.
Yes, they are.
Do you know anything about the history of the element radium?
Surprisingly, yes, I do know some history about radium.
That's good because I would like to learn about it.
Okay, radium was discovered in 1898 by Marie Skłodowska-Curie.
Where did she find it?
That is a good question. She found it in an uranium ore in North Bohemia, Czechoslovakia.
Who is Marie Skłodowska-Curie?
Marie Skłodowska-Curie was a chemist and a physicist from France.
Okay.
She was awarded 2 Nobel Prizes partially because she discovered radium.
The Nobel Prize is a very respectable award to earn once, let alone twice.
Yes, I completely agree with you.
Yes. Are there health concerns I should be aware of in case I come in contact with the element radium?
In fact, there are a couple of major concerns.
What are those concerns?
If you are exposed too much to the element radium, it could cause you to develop cancer, or will eventually cause death.
Wow. Those are some very serious concerns.
Yes, they are.
Well, are there any fun things I should know about radium?
Yes, there are. The half-life of radium-226 is 1620 years.
That is a long time.
Yes, it is. Another fun fact is that when radium turns black when exposed to air, but prior to being exposed, it is a very bright white while pure.
I never would have known that if you had not told me that.
Is there anything else that you would like to know?
Actually, yes, there is.
Okay, I will answer your questions.
Okay, if I was looking at the periodic table, what would be some things that would describe the element radium?
Radium is located in the S block, which is in the metals, and is in group 2A, period 7, which is the alkaline earth metals.
Those were some very descriptive instructions to help me find the element radium on the periodic table of elements.
You are welcome. I hope you all have been informed about the element radium, and enjoyed the presentation.
I have learned a lot about the element radium.
I'm glad you learned.